as Miss o Mr. Gay 2009. So, maganda sa itong evening gown, pang step forward, contestants, lovely ladies. So, nagkanalaan ng beauties, different beauties tonight, vying for the title as Mr. Gay. Okay, take the last group as they post themselves in their evening gown. Di ay pura mga bata. Di ay mga buwan-buwan. Okay, kini ato pa naman ligaw. Lang kagulo. Okay, at this point of time, ladies and gentlemen, we will now measure their mental ability by means of their way in answering question. So, this time,